in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Okauchee Lake, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Heartland, Delafield, Okauchee Lake, Oconomowoc, Britain, Lac La Belle, Nashotah, Oconomowoc Lake, Chenequa, Mapleton, Stone Bank, North Lake, Monterey, and Monches. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA